Today we're unboxing the V-Docker, which is our joystick docking system. An intuitive system that utilizes your engine and a combination of your bow and stern thruster to make docking your boat extremely easy. The precise joystick enables both fore and aft as well as lateral and diagonal movements. Maneuvering your boat has really never been easier. So let's see what's inside of the box. When installed, all of these parts will be ultimately controlled by this joystick. This is the V-Docker joystick. You will notice the subtle black style of this unit, which will blend in quite well with all of your other controls. Please refer to the manual whenever you're installing any of our products. For more information about this and other products, head on over to our website, www.vetus.com. Thank you for watching.